You swipe with your 3 fingers on the Mi Mix Fold screen, not like this guy using his middle finger. You will enter the PC mode, and you can fully take advantage of the inner screen. And that's the new feature that I haven't seen on other foldable phones. Interesting. Hey, what's up? Sam here. It's finally here. Please sit tight, and I will be showing you the first real unboxing of Xiaomi's first foldable phone, the Mi Mix Fold. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing because we are always the fastest one from China doing this kind of interesting tech unboxings and reviews in English. The Mix Fold adopts this folding box design. You have to unfold to open it. Isn't that fantastic? The first thing you see when you open the box, there is one card that has Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun's determination and signature on it. It says, "On the road to innovation, I will keep investing, keep trying, keep making breakthroughs, keep giving away this phone for free if you subscribe." Let's just keep unboxing. And that's the phone. Do you want to hear some noise? Anyway, for the phone, it adopts the classic Xiaomi design, which is on the right side. It has a power key and a volume key. Long press to power on. While we are waiting for the initiating, for other accessories, the Mi Fold has a USB Type-C cable, a phone case, and a 67-watt fast charging adapter. Yes, that's basically what the box has. So, about the phone. My first impression is, yes, it's heavy. It weighs a staggering 317 grams and the total thickness is 17.2 millimeters. Basically 2 phones there. When unfold, it's 7.62 millimeters for each side. And both sides have exactly the same thickness. Just like Huawei's Mate X2, it has an inner and outer screen and the same folding design. Xiaomi says the display is able to withstand being folded 200,000 times. If I fold 100,000 times a day, then I will break in only 2 days. Yeah, just kidding. The inner screen is an 8.01-inch 4x3 OLED panel with 2480 by 1816 resolution, a standard display brightness of 600 nits, 900 peak, and support for Dolby Vision HDR. One thing I really like about this Mix Fold is the inner screen is a complete screen without any cutouts. Also, the bezel is slightly protruding for screen protection. And now about the crease. I will just let you see in different angles. From my view, it's, obvious, but acceptable. What foldable phone doesn't have a crease? You're not rollable phones. Also, I found that you cannot fold in an angle like a Huawei. You either fold it or unfold it completely. Now, let's take a look at the outer screen. The outer screen is 6.52 inches with a 90Hz refresh rate. It's an AMOLED panel with 840 by 2520 pixel resolution. Really nothing normal aspect ratio. You can also see a selfie camera here. That's basically the design. What do you guys think about it? You like it? Let me know in the comment section. Now about some gesture controls. One of the interesting gestures is the PC mode. You swipe with your 3 fingers, you will enter the PC mode. Under this mode, you will fully take advantage of the 8.01-inch inner screen, and it looks like a Windows PC desktop. You see the start apps here, right? You open and drag apps like how you would do on a tablet. You can also open multi-apps at the same time. And if you use a stand to support the Mix Fold on the desk, and you use a keyboard, then a mini PC is born. The same gesture to exit, and you are back to a familiar mobile phone interface. The PC mode is a new feature that I really like, to be honest. For other gestures, it's basically the same as your mobile phone. For other hardware specs, it supports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 808 paired with 12 gigs or 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage. Battery capacity is 5020 mAh, and Xiaomi says the 67-watt fast charging system should get you a full charge in 37 minutes. As for the camera, does this remind you of the Mi 10 Ultra, especially the upper 30x zoom lens here? Anyway, the Mix Fold is the world's first liquid lens technology in the telephoto camera. It's made out of a flexible film filled with transparent liquid. It can change its shape, just like the lens in the human eye, thanks to the precision motor. This allows it to adjust its optical magnification ratio from 3 times to 30 times. The lens has a minimum focus distance of just 3 centimeters, which allows it to photograph far away objects and take macro shots. For the specific specs, I just list on the screen. Xiaomi is also making big claims about the Mi Mix Fold's audio capabilities, with 4 harmonic tuned speakers and what the company describes as 3D panoramic sound. Let's check it out.
是你打电话自首。
长官，我不小心伤了我对象。
把手举起来，为危险自人。
李维嘉。
Last, for the pricing and availability, I will just put to the description, you can check it out. Alright, that's the video. Huge thanks to my content partners Eva's Tech Life and 科技对话 from China. I'm the only channel to be authorized for translation of their videos. If you see any other similar footage like this video on other channels, please forward to me and I will start copyright strike to you too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next video.